Okay, here we have example 4, and I do want you guys to try these before we talk about them. So again, think about your knowledge of intersection, um, union, complements, your knowledge of order of operations and what has to be done first is put in parentheses. So think about all of that. I want you to at least attempt these problems. If you can't work through them, don't worry about it. We'll do them together, but I do want you to try. So go ahead and push pause now and see what you can do. Okay, so hopefully you've got something, or at least you've spent some time thinking about it. But let's go ahead and let's see what we can come up with. All right, so first of all, they want us to use set notation to identify each of the following shaded regions. So we're looking at this region right in here being shaded. Well, can you see that this is where A and C meet? So that would be the intersection of A and C, wouldn't it? Just like that. It doesn't have to be too bad, especially if we just look at it a little bit at a time. Okay, let's look at this part here. This one again, if I were to get rid of this shaded section right here, it would be the exact picture that we were looking at a while ago. So this section right in here is actually A intersected with C. But then we also have another part of that. And the other part of that is this section right in here, which is circle B intersected with circle C. So, and I'll do a little shading on that too. B intersected with C. Now, when we join both of those together, we end up with our entire shaded area. So this is going to be the union of A intersected with C and B intersected with C. Okay. Now then, for our last one, and I'm not sure why when I got my picture that it cut off part of the lines there. I'm just not sure why it did that. But this one, if you got the other two, which I hope you did, this one might have given you a little bit of trouble because it's a little bit, taking what we've learned and advancing just a little bit. But that's okay. You can still do it. Let's look at what's going on here. First of all, we have, this whole section, this whole section here shaded. So if we had all of B and all of C shaded, that would be all of this part right here, right? That would be B joined together or unioned with C. But the problem is that we've taken out this part. We've taken out anything that was in A. So you can literally write it that way. Take out whatever is in A, and you're left with only this small portion here. It really doesn't have to be that bad.